So I welcome you back to this channel. Today we are going to look at this flyer. I'm in a work service. So basically, when you look at these flyers, you look at it. It's a very simple and professional flyer. It has only two colors, as you can see. I used red and white basically, plus black. Those are just primary colors. So you should make sure that if you are designing such kind of flyers, you have a minimum of 3 colors. Yeah, that will look so professional and simple if you're designing flyers. That's what I recommend people to do. So flyers like this one, construction flyers, look at the beauty flyers, such kind of flyers if you are in that field. There's also and also business flyers. If you're talking about some kind of businesses, you can also use this. It's very simple and easy. If there are people there like who want this flyer, I'll put also a link in the description. You'll be able to download it and use it. But as you see it, basically they are shapes. I used shapes, as you can see. There's this shape. I clip masked it into this. As you can see, this image here that I used, I clip mask it to this image, to this shape. I hope you know how to clip mask. And another thing, there was a shadow, a back shadow, a drop shadow. It's a drop shadow to it as well. This was just a shape that I drew using a pen tool. You can just draw it like this. The pen tool is here. You can just draw it like this. And the text, when you look at the text, I use pop-ins. You download pop-ins and use that as your heading. For this subtitle, I use also pop-ins regular, but the heading has a drop shadow to it. Don't forget it. This one also, it's very simple. It's also pop-ins extra. This is regular. It's the same thing I used also to these shapes. As you can see, the images, I clip mask them to these shapes as well to come out smoothly. So basically that's you also use lines. As you can see, these lines, you press Ctrl R. You make sure that your work is well aligned. That's one of the fundamentals, essentials of design. You should make sure that your work is aligned very well for printing, in case there's going to be printing. And then also you should do some text. No text. I mean, you should do some edit on the images. You go to the camera filter. You do some changes like this camera filter, and you change. As a professional designer, you should always make sure that your images pop out. You should make sure there are some edits to them. You go to the camera filter. You change the exposure, the contrast here like this. Exposure, the contrast. I don't want to make more changes because I'd already made them. So the contrast. So make some changes. Most importantly, the saturation, you increase it. Should always increase it. So basically, you do the same to all the images. My images, I got them from Prepic. For Prepic, there is also Victazi. It's also a nice site to get images from. yeah, hope to see you guys next time in case there's any other flyer. So please subscribe, like, and share the video to those ones who are interested. Have a nice time.